Hello, my name is Tom Bell. I am a GIS analyst at the Western Piedmont Council of Governments, and I'd like to go over today how to use the fixed route online map server for Greenway public transportation. The web map is available at this link. That's a shorter version, a much longer link. You can copy it from here, or I can email it to you. I'd be happy to do that. The application works well with all three major browsers: the Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome. On Apple's, it also works with Safari. It was developed in Chrome. That's what Esri uses as their base. So it might work a little bit better there. It also works well on tablets. It works well on Apple, on Android tablets, and on Windows tablets. It doesn't work too well yet on smartphones, and that's because the little icons are so small it's hard to touch them with your fingers. But we're working on that and hope to have that to you. Now, when you pull up the application, it looks something like this. You can see that you can see all the routes. If you look over here on the legend, you can see that signs, a stop that has a sign only, just has a little cross in the middle. If it has a bench, it's got a little bench. If it has a shelter, it's got one little house. If it's a double shelter, it's got two little houses. And the Greenway Transit Center in Hickory has its own symbol. You can see all the routes. West Hickory, Route 1 is the yellow. Blue is Route 2, 127 Spruce Road. The Hickory-Newton route, Route 3 is outbound, Route 4 is inbound, that's in red, and then the Conover Hickory route, Route 5 is outbound, and Route 6 is back in, that's green. If you go over a little bit here, these little, in this ribbon where you can find different things, it defaults to legend, so you can see what the legend is. If you want a different layer, if you want to pull up layers, you can turn off the stops and routes here just by unclicking where it says Map Server, or you can turn it back on. You can also add a different base map. If you want to see imagery, you can just click on that. You can see the imagery back there. That comes in handy when you zoom in. Now to zoom in, to move the map around, just click your mouse and you can drag it around. If you want to zoom in, you can use your wheel on your mouse and zoom in like that. Or you can use up here, they have the plus and minus signs. You can zoom out or in. We can go back to legend. To select a stop, just click it and you can learn all about it. Let's do this stop. Alright, this is 614 Main Avenue. It's in front of a White House. It's only got a sign. It does have a sidewalk. It's lit by a public street light. It's in Hickory. The first time the stop shows up in the Greenway Transit is Route 1, Stop 5. This one's only shows up once, so it's just Route 1. If it was in multiple routes, you would see Route 1, 2, 3, etc. here. And here's a photo of the stop. So you can see there's the sign, there's the house. If you'd like to see it a little bigger, just put your mouse over it, right click, and click Open Image in New Tab. Up here the tab, there it is. Next out of that. And if you notice here it says 2, that means there's 2 pictures. If you want to get to the other picture, hit this little, where it says Next Media, and there's the schedule. If you want to see a little bigger, right click, Open Image in New Tab. And there it is. So let's see, it's 12:15. So the next time the bus will be by there, it'll be 1:13 p.m. Click that. You can zoom on out. Now let's say someone calls and says, when's the next bus? When and where is the next bus compared to where I am? So you can find out where they are. Here I am at 1880 2nd Avenue Northwest. And it says right there, 2nd Avenue Northwest in Hickory, North Carolina. You click on that. Takes you to it. And here I am. And that's where I am. And if you zoom out until you find the closest bus, well, there it is. So the closest bus stop is this one. Scoot it over so you can see. Oh, it is here. It is a shelter. It's Route 1, stop 13. What's near it? Well, let's go here to layers, or base map gallery, excuse me, and click on imagery. Oh, okay, there's some apartments there. All right, and it's got a shelter. When's it going to be by? Oh, well, let's see. Right click, image in new tab. So the next one's going to be by 12:17 p.m. Well, that's exactly what time it is now, so I better hurry over there. But that's how you find where things are going to be. Now, if you are in the field and you have an iPad or a tablet, you can hit Find My Location. It will show you where you are. And again, it would, since I'm right here, I'm on a computer, so I don't have GPS, but if you had GPS on your iPad, you could pull it up and there you'd be. And you could say, again, oh, there's the closest route to where I am. Okay, another tool. There's some more tools up here we can go over. Let's do the measuring tool. Let's say someone calls in and they are at Dos Amigos on 4th Street. They want to catch the bus on 4th Street Southwest. So you can go over here. How far away are they from the bus, the closest bus stop? So go over here and measure. That's an area measure, but you want a line measure. Distance. This is Dos Amigos front door. Walk over here. You click up to the closest stop. Oh, that's 1/10 of a mile. Or you can change it to feet. You get 700 feet. So they don't have very far to go to the bus here. To legend, again, you can see what stop is that. Oh, that's the stop at 7th across from the old Jay's Honda deal. I think that's 7th Avenue actually. So that's a little bit of what that can do. You can share a map. You can select current map extent. You can send that, a picture of it, on Facebook or Twitter, or just email it. You can also print a map and the legend output and hit print. And that's what it looks like when it prints out on an 8.5 by 11. So go back to our base maps, go back to streets, and let's go back to legend. See your legend. And that's a little bit of what the app does. If you have any questions about the map, please feel free to contact me. My email is tom.bell@wpcog.org, or you can call me on my cell because I'm actually on the bus quite a bit. So I'm not in the office. So if you call me on my cell, it's 828-514-5200. Thank you for your time, and I hope the app is useful for you.